In this video, I'm going to be going over what is third-person point of view. This one's probably going to be a four-parter, this video, and then I'm going to have three more for the ending. I'll explain why. Okay, so third-person point of view is the angle from which the story is being told in a he, she, or they point of view. Remember, the narrator is not part of a story when it's coming from third-person POV. They pretty much are telling the events that happen to whomever the characters are, which will always be in the third person, which is he, she, or they. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so there are three different types of third-person point of view. That's why in the next video I'm going to dive deeper into each of these. I don't want to have one really long video just in case you only want to know a specific type, so you can easily find it here on YouTube and on my channel. So these three types are going to be omniscient, it's going to be limited, and objective. Okay, so this one's really simple. Omniscient means all-knowing, so pretty much the narrator knows what everybody's thinking, what they're feeling, and so when you read these books, it's pretty much going to tell you from every side of the story. Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series, self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below, and if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free. For limited third-person point of view, you're limited to one character and you only know what they think and what they feel, and you don't know the feelings of the other characters that are in the story, just the actions that they do to try to make up for what they might be feeling or thinking. The last type is objective, and objective is pretty much just telling the stories the way it is without knowing what any of the characters are thinking or feeling. It's literally just the actions that they are taking, and that's how you know what they're thinking or what motivates them, because of their actions that they do and the dialogue, whether they're lying or whether they're telling the truth, which will unfold throughout the story. I hope this video gave you some great value. If it did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to help this small-time content creator continue giving these tips for creative writing. If you want to learn more about literary devices, you can check out this playlist here, and I will see you guys in my next video. May the force be with you always.